Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the Artsy accountant, and today I'm excited to share with you guys another embroidery project. Today I will be working on a red Christmas truck sweatshirt. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to share a little announcement with you guys. I will actually be selling these sweatshirts and I am launching my very own Etsy store. The store will focus mostly on embroidered sweatshirts for now, and I'm selling embroidered sweatshirts for fall and Christmas. Now let's get into the video and make sure you stay until the end for how to enter the giveaway. And there you have it. I am so excited how this turned out. I think this design is so cute and I'm really excited to have something festive but still comfortable to wear for all of our Christmas get-togethers this year. For the giveaway, I will be giving away one of these Christmas sweatshirts, this design, to a subscriber, and all you have to do to enter is like this video and comment down below what is a design that you'd like to see in my shop. This giveaway is just to really say thank you for sticking with me. I really haven't posted as much as I would have liked to. I still struggle trying to balance, work life, mom life, but I'm getting better and I'm really excited to kick things off with this new adventure. I hope you all will come along with me, and if not, even if embroidery isn't something you're interested in, don't worry, the makeover videos and hauls will still be my main content. I'll put a link down below to my Etsy shop so you all can be the first to check it out. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.